Okay, so let's think about the limit of f of x as x goes to -3 from the left. So we have this character called Jim again, helping us. And he's getting closer and closer to -3, location -3. And he's reporting back his altitude. And I didn't draw this well, but let's say this is a horizontal line with the height of 1. Then what's he going to tell his boss? Or tell us? The altitude is always 1. So what's the limit? This 1, right? Okay. Now this time I want Jim to figure out the limit of -3 plus. So let's put him on the right side of -3. -3 plus, so he's on the right side of -3. Now he's told to walk towards to -3. What happens to his altitude? It gets closer and closer to? 3, right? It gets closer and closer to 3, right? Because it's going up and his altitude gets closer and closer to 12. Okay, third question. What's going to happen if we tell him to get closer and closer to -1?
0.
His altitude is 0 because this point right here has the height as 0. Right? The height of this point here is 0. The x coordinate or the location is -1, but the altitude is 0. You have 0. How about this one? F of x, x going to 2.
Doesn't exist.
Why does it not exist?
They don't equal.
Yes, because if you make Jim approach 2 from the left, the altitude gets closer and closer to 2. Whereas if he's approaching 2 from the right, the altitude gets closer and closer to 1. So your left limit is 2, whereas your right limit is 1. Do they agree? No. In that case, what do you say? The limit does not exist. Okay. Now, what's the actual value of the function at 2? See this closed circle here? Okay. That's the actual value. And what's the altitude of this closed circle? Is 0. So the value of the function is 0. All right. Domain. I deliberately put these closed circles here because I want to limit my domain from -5 through 6. Okay. So my question is the function defined everywhere from -5 through 6?
No.
No. Where is it not defined?
5, -2.
The only place it's not defined is at 5. Everywhere else, you can take the value of the function without any problem, right? For example, what's f of -3? +3, right? What's f of 2? Is 0. What's f of 6? 3. F of -5? 1. So we don't have any trouble in evaluating the function, right? So the domain should really be, domain is, you start from -5, and all the way up to 5 you don't have any problem, but at 5 you see that the function is undefined because there's no closed circle at this location, right? There's no closed circle in the location, you have this hole. So for example, if you said, okay, Jim, stand at location 5, what's going to happen to him? He's going to get injured because there's nothing supporting him, so he falls down and that'll be terrible, right? Okay, so it's -5 to 5 and 5 through 6, but at 6 you have to put this circular bracket because 5 is not included, and if you have more than one interval, the notation is a union. So you put this U in between to say that it's a union of 2 places. That's the answer.